Alright guys, welcome back to NSTA. In this video, we are going to analyze the market for this week. Where are the major trading opportunity lies on the chart? We are going to discuss that. But before we start, मैं आपको बता दूं कि trading room के results update हो चुके हैं to the latest. And you can see in this week, we were able to make 11% on a trailing account in our trading room for intraday trade setups. Now, if you click here, you will find all the trade setup in details कि कहाँ पर stop गया है, कहाँ target आया है, कहाँ पे कितना % उस trade ने trailing account के लिए generate किया. But for single target traders, this week was up by 5% and for trailing target it's up by 10%. On Friday, I would say ये ट्रेडिंग बिजनेस है, यहाँ पे अप एंड डाउन लगा रहता है. ये ऐसा बिजनेस है जहां पर लोग सालों से पैसा लूज कर रहे हैं, सालों हो गए हैं, फिर भी कंटिन्यूस बेसिस पे दे आर लूजिंग द मनी एंड दे आर स्टिल ट्रेडिंग इन होप टू मेक सम मनी. इन डिस्पाइट टू दैट, we are able to have consistent profit in our trading room. So you can see the list. We are updating you from May and this is August running. So yes, performance wise it's below to average whatever we have performed past in our trading room, but again ये ट्रेडिंग है. इस वीक में तो फिर भी 11% आ चुका है. कुछ वीक ऐसे भी आ सकते हैं जहां पर यहाँ पे नेगेटिव रिजल्ट्स आए, बट आई वुड से यू सी दी लॉन्ग रन जहां पर 62% के अगर रिटर्न्स आ रहे हैं, 1 or 2 वीक अगर नेगेटिव आ जाता है तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है. इट्स अ ट्रेडिंग बिजनेस. लॉसेस एंड प्रॉफिट्स आर नेचर ऑफ दिस बिजनेस. एज लॉन्ग एज यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस कंसेप्ट, व्हेन यू विन दिस, व्हेन यू लूज, you can see how much we lose on a particular single trade. It's always either 1% or less, but we can win up to 10% on an intraday trade setup. That's what I'm trying to say. So if you are looking for the support system, if you are not looking for a signal service, then our trading room is for you guys, because our is the only trading room which opens for the entire market. There is no such trading room in India which is operating the way we are right now. So if you want to try our services, we are also providing 7-day free trial to all the traders if you want to see and try our services. So if you are interested, all details are available on the website. So let's go with the analysis now. Alright guys, welcome back to the charts. We're going to analyze the Nifty. So Nifty में नया कुछ नहीं है, पूरा साल होने को है. This structure has been already shown to you in April, but we discuss this structure in our trading room every single day. But the first time we have visualized this structure, I think way back in December last year. So it's been, I think, 8 months now. We've been forecasting this move. So this is where we made first time the forecast in our group that we are looking at something like this, that this market can form this corrective structure. Now why we know it? Because we are following the market on a wave theory concept, and I'm telling you guys, so far in my lifespan I have tried many systems, but this is the only system which gives me the power to forecast these kind of setups. We forecasted this, that this is a corrective structure and coming here till this bottom. Now your market is standing somewhere here. So you can see the power of the structure way before everybody knows it. Now all news factors and all things which you are getting from the public consumption, like the election and the budget news and the USD INR situation, all these factors are already factored in the charts. So the market is not moving because of these moves, but it's actually driving it faster in that direction. So if you want to see what news does to the market, it drives and it helps the market to reach some certain level faster. If these news were not here, the market will still come there, but it will come slowly. Alright? If you think public information drives the market, then you've been misled by the market makers. So for a bigger perspective, we are still looking for this downside, which means every buy setup we see, we are not taking it for swings, but every sell setup we see after a bigger corrective structure, we'll take it for the next ride for a big move for the downside. The traders who are already sell from the tops, they just need to manage the trades. For new trades perspective, for the sell direction, we need these kind of consolidation. If we find it during the week, we can execute it and look for the sell setup near the trend line, but will not buy the market for the swings perspective. I don't see any buy reason as of now, until or unless you are maintaining this market to the left side of this trend line, which means the market is weak and we are looking for the sell structures. Now this impulse going down doesn't have that big corrective structure. You can see these are making a smaller corrective structure, which means these all are intraday trade setup. if you want to trade it intraday, and if you don't know how to trade these moves, maybe our trading room is the best choice for you. But all I'm saying at this point, if you want to sell this up to this point, wait for these kind of corrective structure. You see that? Those are the bigger corrective patterns. If you find that, take the next ride for the downside. I still don't see anything which tells me buy this market. एक white candle से कुछ नहीं होता है. You can see how many white candles produce here. This is a white candle, this is a white candle, this is a white candle. Doesn't make any sense until or unless you don't see market falling down for the next 2-3 days. It's not a sign for the consolidation or reversal. If you discuss about Bank Nifty, the Bank Nifty is already reaching to the targets. The qualification for this down move is complete now, which means the structure which we are looking at is complete. Now, can we look at the other way around, and can we expect a new wave for the upside? And I would say, if you want to take it for the upside, I'll make my point clear again. Instead of buying the Nifty, you focus on a Bank Nifty. This is where you'll make money. This is where you'll double your account and odds will be in your favor. Because if you buy Nifty, it's a 50-50 chance. But if you come to the Bank Nifty, the structure and the qualification is complete, and all it needs to do is come out of this trend line for the right side with an impulse, followed by corrective structures. So if you can read it, voila, you got yourself a good trade in the next direction. So that's us on Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you like this analysis, give this video a thumbs up. If you want to learn these kind of forecasted, how I actually forecast this market up to this accuracy, then our group course is starting soon. Head over to the website. All details are available over there. So with that said, then guys, I'll see you in the next update.